Experiment number 3, Newton's law of cooling. Good morning to all of you students. Now to start the experiment number 3, Newton's law of cooling. Aim of this experiment to study the relationship between the temperature of hot body and time by plotting a cooling curve. Apparatus required for this experiment is the calorimeter, okay, constant temperature enclosure, okay, this one is the calorimeter, then thermometer, stopwatch and hot water bath, etc. The Newton's law of cooling states that the rate of fall of temperature, that is d theta upon dt by a body, is directly proportional to the difference of temperature theta minus theta 0 of the body over the surrounding, provided the difference is small. This is the diagram of Newton's law of cooling. Double wall container in this way, calorimeter, okay. Now water in calorimeter containing water, lid, stirrer and thermometer. The theory states that the rate of loss of heat, that is decreasing temperature with respect to time, is directly proportional to theta minus theta 0, where theta increase झालेला temperature, theta 0 room temperature. Okay, now K is the constant of proportionality. Formula for this given experiment is d theta upon dt is equal to K into theta minus theta 0. Okay, now observations of this given experiment. Least count of stopwatch. Least count is nothing but the smallest number of divisions on that scale, smallest number of value on this case, on this instrument. Okay, now 60, 5, 10, 15, this one is the stopwatch. After every minute we have to take the reading of thermometer. So first of all we have to calculate the least count. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, there are the 10 lines. Okay, then what is the value of one line? Is the 1 second. Least count of stopwatch is 1 second. Similar to that of thermometer, least count of thermometer, one line shows 1 degree Celsius. Temperature of the surrounding. Without taking any hot water in this calorimeter, take the thermometer, take the temperature of the surrounding, that is room temperature, by using thermometer. It shows that 30 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the room temperature using thermometer. Now this one is the observation table. First of all, take the time in minute. After note down the temperature after every minute. Okay, write down here 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4. After every 1 minute we have to take the temperature of water, decreasing temperature of water. Just as the time increase होत जाईल, temperature goes on decreasing. आणि हे डिक्रीज झालेले टेम्परेचर कुठेपर्यंत नोट डाऊन करायचं आहे? अप टू room temperature, that is up to 30 degree Celsius. Okay, now without any take the time reading the zero temperature of water, it shows 70 degree Celsius. Okay, now you have to start, take the reading of the thermometer. At zero time, temperature of water shows 75 degree Celsius. Okay, now start stopwatch. नोट द इनिशियल टेम्परेचर आपण किती घेतलेलं आहे? 0 मिनिटला 75 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. ओके, आफ्टर एव्हरी मिनिट वी टेक द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द थर्मोमीटर विथ कंप्लीटिंग 1 मिनिट. ओके, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 1 मिनिट वी टेक द रिडिंग ऑफ थर्मोमीटर. टेम्परेचर टाइम जसं इन्क्रीज होत जाईल, थर्मोमीटर शोज डिक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, अँड दिस इज द न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ कूलिंग. Okay, now I will show the first reading completing 1 minute. Now see, here 1 minute completed. Now stop the stopwatch and take the reading of thermometer. It shows 72 degree Celsius. In this way, we have to take the decreasing temperature with respect to increasing time up to room temperature. It comes to at at 68 degrees Celsius, 3 62 degrees Celsius, 4 66 degrees Celsius. In this way, the readings comes in this way up to 30. The readings come 51 degrees Celsius. You have to take the minimum 30 readings. Okay. Now, the graphical nature. In Newton's law of cooling, the graph is very important. Here, the two graphs is very important for this experiment. First of all, cooling curve. Along the y-axis, take the degree Celsius temperature. Along the x-axis, taken as the time. Okay, now first of all we start the first reading, that is 70 degrees Celsius is the 75 degrees Celsius. In this way the graph is here 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 along the y-axis, and 1 to 30 take the time along the x-axis. Okay, every point is come on this graph of cooling curve graph. Okay, in this way the curve becomes exponential curve becomes as the time goes on increasing. As the time goes on increasing, temperature goes on decreasing. This one is the first graphical nature of Newton's law of cooling. Okay, now the second graph. Second graph is very important for this experiment. By using first graph, we have to calculate the second observation table of this experiment. Okay, from this cooling curve, take 5 readings. Take 5 readings of each point of slope. Okay, now take the first point. ह्या कूलिंग कर्व मधले 5 पॉइंट असे घ्यायचे आहेत की त्याचा स्लोप कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. फर्स्ट घेतला आपण 68 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. नाउ टेक द 68 डिग्री सेल्सिअस, कॅल्क्युलेट द स्लोप y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. इन दिस वे 67 ह्या पॉईंटचा स्लोप काढल्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. से इन दिस वे सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट, टेकन नॉर्मल, and from this normal take the difference between two temperature, that is d theta. Draw a perpendicular on that time, take the difference between these two time, that is the dt. So calculate d theta upon dt. Therefore for this cooling curve, the first point is 68. Take any 5 readings. First of all take a 68 degrees Celsius. The d theta upon dt comes 1.25. Okay, now see 68, 64, 60, 56, 52. These 5 readings, 5 temperature take from this first graph of cooling curve. Calculate d theta upon dt comes in this way. For 68 degree, d theta upon dt comes 1, 64 0.8, 60 0.73, 56 0.57 and 52 0.5. Calculate theta minus theta 0, where theta is 68, okay, minus theta 0 is the 51. Okay, take a difference between 68 minus 51 is the theta minus theta 0. Okay, in this way we have to calculate the second observation table from the first graph. Okay, now draw the second graph, d theta upon dt versus theta minus theta 0. Take 5 readings on this graph paper. Theta minus theta 0 along x-axis, d theta upon dt along y-axis. The nature of graph is straight line passing through origin. In this way, the Newton's law of cooling experiment is completed. The result of this experiment, the nature of graph, temperature against time is a curve. It is known as the Newton's cooling curve. Okay, and the graph, the cooling curve will be steep at first. After it will become less steep as the temperature approaches to the temperature of the surrounding. In this way, the Newton's law of cooling is verified from this experiment. Okay. Now precautions. What is the precautions of this experiment? Make sure that the bulb of thermometer is well inside the water, and the enclosure should have proper insulation to avoid the loss of heat due to conduction or convection from the hot water. This is the precaution of this today's experiment, Newton's law of cooling. In this way, the Newton's law of cooling experiment is completed.